Colombia, nature is under attack. Since the civil war ended in 2016, deforestation has skyrocketed. I'm Frank Gardner. I'm heading into what remains of the virgin tropical rainforest. I've traded in my wheelchair for a pack horse, and I'm tested to my limits.
I don't think I can do this. I think this is just too dangerous.
I'm joining a crack team of plant scientists from the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew. They're on a mission to discover and save unique plant species before they vanish forever. In 2016, the Colombian government signed a peace deal with the FARC rebels. For more than half a century, civil war actually slowed the pace of deforestation. But now, remote tracts of land have opened up. Farmers, loggers and miners are scrambling for resources. Colombia is now reportedly losing 3,000 square kilometers of forest every year. Nature's always been something of an antidote to my job as a security correspondent. In 2004, I was shot and partly paralyzed while on the job.
I won't deny I've got a certain amount of trepidation about the trip itself because everybody else is walking. I'm going to have to do this on horseback, otherwise I'm not going to be able to make it.
¿Están listos los caballos? ¿Listo? ¿Todo bien? Yes, this is the first time this area is going to be explored by botanists or scientists.
For so many years, conflict and criminality made this area inaccessible to outsiders.
¿Ya? La pierna la pasan. La pierna la pasan.
Poco más. There is a bit of a risk here. You know, my legs are osteoporotic. They're like honeycomb, the bones. So I really can't afford to fall off and break things.
The beginning of the trek is a steep descent. The botanists hope to find new species deep inside the forest, but I'm unable to hold on with my legs.
Guys, I don't think I can do this. I'm going to fall off. I think this is just too dangerous. I mean, it breaks my heart. I think you're going to have to carry on without me.
Y cargándolo no era mejor.
Well done. Okay.
Okay. I wonder whether it do. No, it's por abajo, Alex.
Well, we've managed to find a solution to get me down the slope because going down by mule was just too tricky, too dangerous.
The botanists hope to find plants with untold potential.
Listo, yo lo recojo.
One of the local guides believes he's chanced upon something extraordinary.
This, we don't know exactly what it is, and it could be something new. Is that we are the first botanists collecting in this area.
What does it mean to find a potentially new species like this in a remote forest?
Some of these species could have the properties to cure important disease for humans. So as biologists, as botanists, we have to try to understand as soon as possible, as quick as possible, all this amazing biodiversity.
In the fight to save the forests, the Colombian government has extended its protection to millions of acres of land. The army launched Operation Artemisa in 2019 to combat illegal logging. But in remote places, the law is hard to enforce. Illegal loggers are still at work in these forests.
Y se sabe de que pues esto está prohibido ya, pero pues sin embargo la necesidad nos obliga a a seguirlo haciendo para proveer para la familia.
This fallen giant will make the loggers $300. The scientists from Kew remain hopeful of finding hidden treasures before it's too late. Colombia today is a post-conflict nation, but it faces a new battle to protect its natural resources. The biodiversity contained in these forests could prove to be its most precious commodity of all.